You're looking for some dentures, some teeth to replace some missing teeth. And you want to be affordable, correct? You're living in Charlotte, and you come across, wow, look at this. I can go to this place and get dentures for X amount. I don't know how much they may be, but are they customized? Are they built from high quality materials consistently? So you're looking for the, the value of replacing the teeth. Well, I can tell you at Modern Family Dental Care, we customize all dentures using the premium products from a premium lab. We don't shortcut the dentures at all, and we want to make sure that we do it right. And more often than not, get it right the first time. And if we can't get it right the first time, to make sure we correct it, to make sure we do get it right. Because after all, no one is perfect. So affordable dentures, it all depends what you're kind of looking for and what you actually value in your dentures. You just want some wooden teeth. I'm sure we can provide no $200 option, but you want teeth that look more lifelike and be able to give you the confidence and the health that you're looking for and the beauty. Well, then come visit us. Check out our website, and you'll be able to schedule an appointment for a consultation, and we'd be more than happy to give you a smile that you've been looking for and a smile that you deserve.